Welcome to the virtual office training. Today we will learn how to use VLOOKUP with match function. It's a part 3. First understand what match function do. Just type is equal to and match. Press tab key. It will ask you lookup value. Just select Urdu. Type comma and lookup array. What is the lookup array? Just select all the column and type comma and 0 for exact match. Just select 0 for exact match and close the bracket. I want to find these column. What is the number of this column? It's a 1, it's a 2. It will find the 2 number. Just press enter. It will get the value of Urdu. It's a number 2. If I just double click here and freeze it, this range, select the range and press F4 to freeze and press enter. If I drag it to the right side, it will find the value of 3. It's a number 3. It's a number 4. It's a number 5 column. It's a number 6 column. This is where the match function work. Just delete it. Here I use VLOOKUP with match function. When I select the Hussein, it will get the value of Hussein marks. You can see it 56, 56, 40, 45 and 56. Let's do it again. Just delete it. Now type is equal to VLOOKUP. It will ask you lookup value. I will select the student name, and because I will drag it to the right, it will change. That's why I will press F4 to absolute this column, absolute this cell. Press comma. It will ask you table array. Table array is this. And now press F4 to absolute. Press comma. What is the column index? I will use match function for column index number. Just type match. Lookup value is this, comma. What is the lookup array? Just select all the column and press F4 to freeze this column, comma and 0 for exact match and close the bracket and press enter. Now it will get the Urdu marks of Hussein 56 and now drag it to the right. If I select the student name Naveed, it will get the data of Naveed 87, 57, 52, 46 and 39. It is very good way to use VLOOKUP with match function for getting your requirement Hope this tip will be very helpful for you. Thanks for watching.